Are you going to go up on this thing, Jake?
Watch me try.
We'll just wait.
And this is my second time whistling.
Looks nice out here, doesn't it?
Cool.
What the heck? Is that the water?
Last time it went up.
Do you remember when that was all water? And now it looks like a swamp or something. Doesn't it? Whoa.
Well, I saw that was last time he went up there. There was lots of
Whoa.
quads there. It's still there,
Stop.
I guess. Yeah, whatever. Human beings.
Hey. Whoa, be very careful, man. I wouldn't even come up here if I were you. It says, whoa, this thing, look at this thing. It looks like it's all like weird shaped and stuff. What the heck?
Wow. That's a lot of quads.
There's a lot of art up here, isn't there? Crazy, right? Hey, Bo, let's go down here, man. I don't want you up here. Come on. It's like super high and kind of scary. Come on.
If I
Huh.
have my own risk, I'm going to fall to the right shoe.
Hey, you better be very careful. Whoa, use those handrails.
Ain't there a lot of quads up there? Ain't there a lot of quads up there, Dad?
Uh-huh. Yep, a lot of cool art, huh? Byler is real. Nice. Alright, now I'm going down. Whoa. Whoa, probably should have tied my shoes, but it's fine. Are you going around that, Jack? Huh? Are you going around that thing though, man?